Umaima is drawing with.
We need poster colors or acrylic colors. We need
Okay, so Mustafa has started his screen. Mustafa, Mustafa, can you stop sharing your screen? Thank you, Mustafa. Mustafa, Khatija, turn on your screen. Umaima has started sharing the screen.
Can we start discussing about the
Whose screen is this? Umaima. Umaima, please stop sharing your screen.
Can we discuss about the
Picnic. Yes. Do you want to discuss about picnic? Yes, even I am so excited.
spooky?
My God.
Ma'am, do you know I have a camp?
Mustafa, Ali, Umaima, Umar, I'm not going to talk unless and until you turn on your screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, do you know I have a t-shirt and on it is written camping. So I'm gonna wear that and go.
Wow, it's so exciting. Oh my God. Such a big bag. Mustafa, such a big bag. You're not going for 3 days. You're going just for 2 days.
Ma'am, I know that, but I'm taking lots of things. That's why.
Okay, you can take it.
As
As long as you can carry it, you can take it.
Yes, I can carry it.
Okay. Okay, Umaima, please turn on your screen. Umar, please turn on your screen. Otherwise, I'm going to put you all in the waiting room. Yes.
It's like a briefcase.
Okay, okay. Now, Khatija is in a very spooky mood, okay? It's my session. Read aloud. Please join it. Umar, if you're not going to turn on your screen, why? Please join. Try it
She's
again.
gonna put you in the rain.
Yes, good. Okay, Mustafa, I want to speak to you first. Mustafa, are you able to hear me properly? Yes. Okay, Mustafa, in your math session, what happened? Vidhi ma'am said that you were not able to hear her.
From train we go now. That bridge, ma'am. From that you can see, ma'am.
What happened?
I was in the washroom. I wasn't on my screen.
You couldn't turn on your screen, Mustafa?
I wasn't on my screen.
Okay, so Vidhi ma'am thought that you were not able to hear her. Okay, so Mustafa, what you can do is, Mustafa, please speak to your Vidhi ma'am, okay? Can you speak to Vidhi ma'am? I will send you her number. So please call after the session. Okay, is it all right? Yes? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a
Today's read aloud session, ma'am.
yes, read aloud session. So you want to discuss about picnic right now, or you want to start with the
Story
or picnic? Okay,
story.
okay, just 15 minutes I will take for picnic. I just want how many of you are confirmed, like, you know, how many of you are coming for picnic? Please raise your hand.
Umar is not going.
Umar, I know Umar is in Surat. Musfira, Khatija is confirmed. Mustafa is confirmed. Amara, are you coming? Amara, are you coming? I can see your hand raised, but I just want to confirm.
Yes, ma'am. I am coming.
Okay, so you have to come to Nerul, right, Amara? Yes. Umaima, are you coming? Umaima?
Amara, you have to come to Nerul, see what's more. That's where the bus stop is.
She can come with Alfia ma'am, right? Yes, I understood. And Zainab and Ali, what about you all? You both? Ali, are you coming, Ali? You're coming, right?
We work now. We work.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to we work.
Yes. Mustafa, you are coming, right?
Yes.
Ali, you are coming?
Okay. Ma'am, Dawood sir said Shazia ma'am with the Newtons and Kimchi, right?
What you said? What you said, Khatija? What you said? Dawood sir said?
And what Dawood sir said in WhatsApp, you have to be with the Curies
in.
Yes, definitely. I will be with Newtons and Curies. I am not going anywhere. I'm not going to entertain anywhere except my Curies and Newton. Okay.
Bhai is also coming.
Okay, Ali, you are also confirmed, right? And even your brother. Yes? Okay. One more thing which I want to tell you all is this about the picnic, okay? Just give me a minute. Yes, Umar, what you have sent? Um,
Free picnic, lockdown. Mama,
yes, Umar. Umar, I'm feeling so sad that you will not be able to join.
that's why.
Okay, so this is just a small announcement. I have already confirmed that everyone is coming except Umar, and the assembly place will be WeWork. So we have to just assemble at WeWork, okay? And the timing are 10:30, sharp 10:30. You have to reach over there, okay? Tomorrow sharp at 10:30, 11 o'clock we will leave. Then things to carry, what other things you have to carry is you have to take your identity card if you have any, then comfortable footwear.
Ma'am, please tell it again. What you told now? Ma'am, you are muted.
Thank you, Maima. Thank you, Maima. Okay, so did you hear where we have to assemble?
Yes.
We have to assemble at WeWork sharp at 10:30. Okay, things to carry is you have to carry your identity card if you have any. Then the shoes should be very very comfortable. Okay, then extra pair of dress and towel, your toothbrush and paste because we are going to stay back. Okay, so the next morning you will require your toothbrush and paste. If you have any hat, sunglasses, mosquito repellent, okay, warm clothes, jacket or something you should carry. And for bus ride you have to carry your snacks means not any sandwich or burger that we are going to provide, just chips or something if you like in the bus, light biscuits and water bottle is very important, please carry. Okay, hand sanitizer and face mask.
Ma'am, I have everything but not the identity card.
Okay, just take any identity card, any card. Like if you have a DPWS card also, that will also do. Okay, school card will do. Oh my God, just look at Muhammad Ali. Just look at Muhammad Ali. He's wearing goggles. Okay, I can't hear anyone.
Wow.
Oh my God, why my internet is not working? Why my voice is breaking? Okay, everyone, can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? My internet connection is not stable actually.
We can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, fine. So can we start our read aloud session? Muhammad Ali, please bring your pillow. Ammara, Umaima, Ali, you all can relax and listen to the story. But before that, tell me which story we are going to do today. We have left one story.
Ma'am, I'm not.
What? A part of the party story.
Wow, Khatija, very nice. I thought nobody is going to remember that. But Khatija remembered. Umar, last warning, you have to turn on your video. Otherwise, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Sit here. Okay, thank you, Umar. Okay, then let me start. My internet is really unstable. Just tell me whether you can see my book or not.
No, ma'am.
Can you all see my book?
Ma'am, it's loading.
It's loading. Give me a thumbs up if you can see my book. Switch on my this. Yes.
Golden sparrow.
Can you all see my screen? Umayma?
There is sparrow coming in.
Oh, it's loading. Let me share it again. Okay. Yes.
Then the golden sparrow will come and sit in the back.
Okay. Can you see my screen? Please give me thumbs up. Yes. Ali, can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
Part of
Amara,
the party.
Muhammad Ali, can you see my screen? Umar, can you see my screen? Yes. Okay. Amara has given me thumbs up. Umar, can you see my screen? Umar?
The kid cannot go to the party. How?
Okay. Thank you, Umar. Yes, Ali, what you were saying? Okay. Now, please tell me till where we have finished. Bring a chair and sit over here.
Is this the whole book?
Did we finish this page?
The whole book.
No, we have not finished the whole book. Umayma, we have not finished the whole book.
Yes, we have, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
please do
no.
it from starting.
What,
No.
Amara, what did you say?
Do it from starting.
We have already done that.
No, ma'am, please again. From starting.
Amara, I can't do because then it would be unjust for the other kids, right, Amara?
Ma'am,
Have we done this page?
Ma'am, how we are in this page?
Yes, we were in this page, Muhammad. Umayma?
No, ma'am. We finished this page.
We finished this page, I think so, yes. Yes, Ali, what you said?
We finished this page.
Okay, I think so. We were in this page.
We didn't finish this page. We did.
Yes, okay. So we'll start with the previous page. Okay, what happened is now Carrie was not able to go to the party. Why? Who can tell me?
She didn't have a mummy.
Yes, because she does not have her mother. Okay, so that is why she cannot go. Okay, she has two daddies, but she does not have mama. Then what she did is she invited all the friends to check with her friends that whether they are able to go or not. Okay, so I'll start from here. Slowly, Carrie's friends started to arrive. She was amazed at how many of them had come along. They were all upset about the disco too. So all the friends started assembling and they were all upset because they cannot go to the disco. The Platypus twins, who are the platypus? These are the platypus, okay? Pablo and Paula just love disco and they wanted to see their mummy dancing together. It's not fair. It's only for daughters because Pablo and Paula are sons, okay? So they cannot go because the invitation says that it is only for mama and daughter. Pablo said, what about everybody else? Yeah, what about us? Said Eric, Echinda, and Levi Lizard. So everybody is upset because they have some kind of problem, or maybe because they are son, they cannot go to the party. And they all want to go to the disco party. Wanda Wombat was looked after by her dad, okay, and did not have a mom. She wanted to take her dad to the disco to celebrate their happy little family. So now what is happening is Wanda Wombat. Okay, so Wanda Wombat, she wanted to take her dad, but she cannot take her dad because it is only for mama and daughter. And she wanted to celebrate that. She wanted to tell that I love you so much, but she cannot go to the disco. Deborah Dingo was confused. Who's Deborah? She is Deborah, okay? Deborah Dingo was confused about whether she would be allowed to bring both her mummies. And Deborah has how many mummies? How many mummies? Quickly tell me. Two mummies, okay? She does not have daddy. So I can't choose just one, she said anxiously. I love them so much. So this Deborah loves both her mummies and she can't choose between one because both her mummy loves her so much.
My mama is around.
Kili Kokaburra had been adopted by a family of Galas and lived with her mom, dad, two grannies, grandpa, four aunties, five uncles, and 12 cousins. Yes, Ali, you were saying something?
Saying something?
Yes, Ali, did you say anything?
No.
No, okay. Okay, so now Kili Kokaburra, she stays with Gala family. This is also a kind of a bird, okay? But they are different species, okay? Kokaburra has been adopted by Gala families, okay? And they have a, yeah, he has a huge family and he wants to take everyone. But everyone in my family loves and helps me. I want to bring them all, she said. So Kokabura wants to get everyone, the grannies, grandpa, four aunties, five uncles. Now, this is also a problem because the invitation says it's only for mama and one daughter. One mama, one daughter. Okay. Carrie went home feeling determined to make sure that all of her friends and their families could be part of the party. Now, Carrie was very, very determined. Okay. She was very, very strong. She was very, very determined that she's going to do something that will allow everyone to join the party. She told dad what had happened at the meeting. So Carrie said everything to dad. What has happened? That so many friends, they are so disappointed. They are so upset that they cannot go to the party. Why don't you write a letter to the mayor? Suggested dad. So daddy suggested you write a letter to the mayor who has invited everyone, right? So write a letter to the mayor that how upset your friends are. Carrie sat down and wrote a letter telling the mayor about all the different families who could not be included at his disco. She posted the letter and waited. So she wrote a letter to the mayor who has invited them to the disco that how upset the other families are because they cannot be part of the disco. And then she posted the letter and she waited for the letter to come back. A few days later, an envelope arrived addressed to Carrie. It had the official stamp of the mayor's office. What do you mean by addressed? Addressed to Carrie. A few days later, an envelope arrived addressed to Carrie. Umaima, can you tell me what does that mean? Umaima, I can't hear you. Umaima, I can't hear you. Umaima, I can't hear you.
Allocation.
Umaima, I can't hear you.
Allocation.
No, Umaima, we can't hear you. Umaima, although you are unmuted, but we can't hear you.
Go to the mic and tell.
Okay. Can anyone answer me? What does this mean? An envelope arrived addressed to Carrie.
Can I tell, ma'am?
Okay. I can't. Why I can't hear anyone? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, I want to tell. An address is called.
Mustafa, I can't hear any one of you. Why is it so? Is
Ma'am,
that a
can you hear
problem with
me?
me?
Ma'am, can
Is
you
that
hear
a
me?
problem with me? Hey, just a minute, just a minute. Let me stop sharing my screen. Okay, can you all speak? Please speak. I
Yes.
can't hear any one of
And
you.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Hello.
ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, Ali, please
Can you
speak.
hear me?
Ali and Mohammed, please speak. Oh, is there a problem with me?
Why
Is
is
there a
it?
problem with me?
Give
Just
me
a
one
minute.
minute.
we
Hello.
can hear you, ma'am.
You all can hear me, but I can't hear you.
Can you put it back?
Yes.
What happened to your laptop? Your
Hello.
material also.
Can you all hear me now? Again, I
Yes.
can't hear you all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. My battery is very low.
Loud and clear.
Okay, there's a
And
problem.
put out of earphone and the wire also.
Okay, okay. I just
Now you
removed my
can hear.
headphone and everything.
Ma'am, my battery is very low.
Okay.
Now you hear us?
Yes, now I can hear you all. Yes, Umayma, I was asking,
Ma'am, my battery is very low.
Uma, your battery is really low.
Ma'am, cat means postcard. He sent the postcard and the postcard come back. That it is written letter.
Yes. Address means it addresses to you. Means
We were,
it is for you.
and he take it the address. He post the address
Ma'am,
and he send.
Yes, Muhammad Ali. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
ma'am, can I tell you something?
Yes, Muhammad.
Actually, the letter came from the uh,
Mayor.
Mr. Who made the party and the why the stamp is for the company.
Okay, that letter has come from the mayor, and there was a stamp of his. Yes, it could be possible that the stamp could be of his company. Yes, it could be possible. Okay, let me start sharing my screen again. Okay, now I can hear you all.
It's loading. No, it's not loading.
Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now Carrie felt very nervous. But with dad and daddy by her side, she opened the letter. Now she opened the letter. Okay. And what was written in the letter? It's written in a very small font. Let me just read it for you. Okay.
I know. Can I read it?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. It's a very faint voice, but still I can hear you, Umayma. Actually, the problem was
Okay.
from my side. Okay.
Ma'am, I can read that.
You can
Thank
read it?
you so much. Thank you so much for your loving.
Okay. Just let me read it, okay? Just let me read it quickly. Dear Carrie,
Mute.
am I on mute?
No.
Then,
Everybody
No.
mute.
Ma'am.
okay, everybody mute yourself. Okay. Dear Carrie, thank you so much for your lovely letter. I am sorry that I made you feel unwelcome at the disco. I want to celebrate all the wonderful mummies and the care they give. But I realize now that it's not just mummy who love and help us. I want everyone to feel they can come and celebrate the love in their family, whatever that looks like. I am thrilled that so many of your friends would like to come to the disco. I would be very grateful if you would help me to deliver the new leaflets that I have designed. Thank you for helping me. Sorry, thank you for helping to make the disco a true celebration of love. I look forward to seeing you there. Your sincere. Mayor. Okay. So now,
I just said, ma'am, I can read.
yes, yes, everybody could read. Yes. So what the letter says? The letter says that now everybody is invited. Okay. And now he has made a new leaflet, but he needs Carrie's help to deliver this to all the friends and families. Carrie handed out the leaflets to all her friends. So this new leaflet, she gave it to all the friends. And what was written on the leaflet? Mayor Emu of Sunny Spring invites you to a family disco to celebrate love. Bring your whole family along for a boogie to show them how much you care. Yes, Ali, you were saying something, Ali?
I am the family disco.
Yes.
Now it is shoes disco. Now disco.
Yes. With your new shoes, Ali is ready to go to disco, right, Ali? Okay. So now what happened is the leaflet has changed, and now the entire family, now everybody can go and enjoy the disco with the entire family. Okay. Dad and Daddy felt proud of their kind and thoughtful little Kola. So now both the daddies are very, very proud of their daughter. Okay, that she had taken some action and she's so thoughtful about others as well. All that was left to do was choose which disco outfits to wear and for Carrie. Dad and Daddy too practice their dance move. So only what is left now? Just to choose the outfit. Like when you go to a picnic, when you want to go somewhere, you choose your outfit, right? So for tomorrow, you must have chosen your outfit. Which outfit you are going to wear for picnic. So the only thing which was remaining was to choose your outfit. Okay. That night, the town was lit up with disco lights and the sound of party music floated through the air. Carrie looked at Dad and Daddy with a smile. So that night, the whole town was lit up with the light and disco lights, okay? And they were all ready to dance. And Dad and Daddy had a smile on their face. This is the best disco ever, she said. And the best part of all is having you both here to share it with me.
Is dancing like.
Yes, just look at the Kola, how Kola is dancing. Okay, so Kola is saying that this is the best disco ever because I can take my entire family with me and I can share this happiness with my family. The story ended. Okay. So what did we learn? Okay, Umar, I want you to tell me what did we learn from this story? Who can tell me what did we learn from this story?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay, Khatija is raising her hand, so I will give chance to Khatija. Khatija, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I didn't learn anything.
We learned in the ma'am, we learned in the story that Carrie posted the address to the mayor, and then and also we saw her gonna do something.
Do you know when we take action? See, the Carrie has taken an action. She has written a letter, and how the entire scenario, how everything changed. So for something, you have to take an action. Okay, if you feel bad about it, you should take an action.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, I know.
Now you learn something, Mohammed, right? Okay, let me give chance to Ali first and then Mohammed. Okay, Ali, tell me. What did you learn, Ali?
We will just think we cannot go anywhere, but we can.
Ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am,
Can
ma'am, we should not think we cannot go here. We can.
Okay. Okay, Ali thinks that sometimes we feel that it is not for us, but when you take an action, we can definitely go. Yes, Muhammad Ali, you tell. Go ahead. Yes, Muhammad
Ma'am,
Ali.
can I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, Umar, wait.
ma'am, I'm saying that you should not care about yourself. You should care about everyone else too.
Wow, it's a wonderful lesson which you took, Muhammad. See, Muhammad is saying that we should always take care of others as well, right? We should think about others as well, like how they are thinking or what is going on them, and we are not alone in that. Okay, yes, Muhammad Ali, very nice lesson you took up from this story. Okay, who else? Umar, go ahead.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Umar, do you want to leave?
Ma'am,
I need to give an assignment, Ali.
want to go somewhere, so do not take one person. You have to take everyone to the party or rides.
Yes, you are not alone. Okay, so everybody would be facing the same problem. Is that, Umar, what you said?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well done, Umar. Okay, okay, Muhammad Ali, there is an assignment for you all. Okay, Amara, did you raise your hand? Mustafa and Amara?
I don't have a garden.
Amara is sleeping. She's in a sleeping mode. Okay. Okay, so quickly let me share my assignment. Can I share my assignment? Yes?
Yes.
You don't have to do anything right now, okay? This is just an assignment which you have to do it later on. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay.
okay. So you have to write an essay, okay? You have to listen, Ali. You don't have to write it right now, okay? Later on, whenever you are free, you have to write an essay. And what is the topic of the essay? Imagine that you became invisible for one day, okay? What would you do? If you become invisible, what will you do? Okay, you have to it has to be very, very creative, and you have to write an essay. But do you know how to write an essay?
Yeah.
Do you know how to write an essay?
Ma'am, I wrote an essay before. I wrote a lot of essays.
Yes, you have written a lot of essay. Okay, so Mustafa, give me one example. Like, you know, if you become invisible, what will you do?
I'll tell everyone that I became invisible.
You will just go on and tell people that you have become invisible. You will not do anything.
I'll try to make myself an invisible.
Mom, after Mustafa become invisible?
Yes, Umar.
PIBHAPPY.
Yes, Ali. Ali, did you see the assignment, Ali? Did you see the assignment that you have to write an essay on?
I'll be happy.
You will be happy. If you'll become invisible, you'll be happy, Ali.
Yes, anybody cannot see me.
Wow. Do you know what am I going to do if I'll become an invisible person? Okay, Khatija, go ahead. Khatija, go ahead.
Once I become invisible, and I talk to people that are invisible, they will get scared.
They will get scared. If you will be invisible and if you'll do something, they'll get scared. Yes, Mohammed.
Why is it flying on the sky?
Ma'am, I'll be happy because I'll prank everyone by being invisible.
Yes. That
And
will be
also,
so much fun.
ma'am, I'll be happy I'll be happy if I take something like a ghost does.
Yes, just like a ghost.
Can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, if I would be invisible,
Okay, Zainab is saying that she will help people. Ali, what will you do?
Person glow battery.
It's low battery. Okay, then quickly tell me what will I do if I will become an invisible person, okay?
Ma'am, can I say just
Ma'am,
Okay, Umayma, you say. Umayma, okay, I have not given chance to Umayma.
ma'am, please.
play football?
All
I'll pick the
friends
ball
say about
in head like this,
you.
and then I will throw it. Then
Umayma, I can't hear. Umayma, you have to be little louder.
Ma'am, please, can I also say?
ma'am,
Okay.
now can you hear me?
Yes. Umayma, I can hear you. Okay, after Umayma, Mustafa, I will give you sorry. Muhammad, I will give you chance.
Football,
It
na?
will be useful,
Ball
easy.
and put the ball on the. I'll keep from my hand. I'll keep like this the ball up on a person's head, and then I will throw it. Then done. He will.
Oh
he
my
will get
God. So
hurt.
you are going to scare the people, right?
Yes.
Ah, my God. Okay, Mohammed, you want to say something?
I will be hitting everyone.
Ma'am,
Help.
when I will be invisible in hide and seek, I will be winner chicken dinner.
Winner chicken dinner. Oh my God, I love this.
Everybody will. Yes, my sister said that. Winner chicken dinner.
Okay, that's very nice. And I'm so happy that I'm going to meet you all tomorrow. Okay, let me also tell something, okay? If I will become invisible, what will I do?
I'm very excited to meet you.
Yes, I'm also very excited. And I'm not going to leave you at all.
Me too.
Yes.
I will too.
We'll sit in the same seat tomorrow, okay?
And you will catch me. I will run.
Okay, fine. We play hide and seek. Yes, Ali.
Yes.
Okay. Give me a chance to read, okay? If I will be invisible, what I would do is I would play tricks and scare people, okay? He, like this. Or maybe I will hide their things. One could find out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Yes, Mariam knows that.
Yes, and one could find out what are, just let me read my essay, okay? One could find out what our so-called friends say about us behind our backs, okay? It may be shocking but useful. I will also come to know what my friends are telling about me, okay? Behind me. So I will also come to know if I'll become an invisible person.
Next.
Next is,
there are lots of people.
This is not there. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so you understood what you have to do is, I am not going to read my entire essay, but you have to write 4 to 5 paragraphs, okay? If imagine if you become an invisible person. And in my next session, next Tuesday, you all have to read, okay? This will be a mock competition. It would be a competition. So everyone has to read their own essay. And then there will be a final competition in which a guest will come and you have to read your essay. You have to write the essay during the session.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that.
Okay, Mustafa, what you have to...
But ma'am, I don't know how to write an essay.
You don't know? See how I have shown you the paragraphs? You have to just write what will you do if you become an invisible person. And you have to write small paragraph. Maybe 3 paragraphs is enough. Okay?
Ma'am, what is paragraph?
Paragraph is a whole sentence. Okay? Which is made up of 2-3 sentences. Okay, one paragraph. I showed you a paragraph, right? Khatija, let me show you again my paragraphs. Okay, these are the paragraphs. Khatija, see whatever is written in pink, right? This is one paragraph. And then whatever is written in blue, this is the second paragraph. So at least you can write 3 paragraphs in the essay. Okay, and you have to, this is the topic. If I became invisible, what will I do? If I was invisible, then I would be able to take any outfit I wish for from any shop. And when I was not invisible, I would wear that clothes. I would take a plane, bus, or train to the places I want to go to, like America.
Don't you stop, ma'am.
Yes,
Don't you stop for being invisible.
yes, if I will become invisible, I will do lot of exciting things. I will go rob in the shop. I will take any clothes which I want and I will wear it. I will tease every one of you. I will come to your house. I will tickle you all. I can do lot of things. Okay, this is your assignment. Next Tuesday, everyone has to read their essay. Okay, that would be a mock competition. Let me see who can write better. Who is the best in writing?
Competition.
You don't want competition?
No, I want competition.
Yes, that's my aim. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.
And I will meet you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Do your packing well, okay, everyone. Bye bye, Amrita.
Bye.
Bye bye.